Hi, brothers.
Hey, brother-in-laws.
How are the brothers doing out here? We haven't been here for a while.
Today was our last day of high school ever in the whole entire world.
Ever.
We did that shit and it doesn't feel real, but we did it.
I'm so happy.
We've just been so busy because of the holidays and stuff, but it's one of our friends' birthdays, so we're going literally to the club, so.
I was just applying this peptide cream.
I get into skin prep, I guess. I already moisturized, but I'm prepping with this Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil from Wander.
Alright, bitches, we're getting down to beating. So, first of all, I'm going to use this MAC strobe cream. It's just nice. I don't know.
And so this video, we're basically going to ask some questions because we got some questions. I prime my skin with the Catrice Prime and Fine Good Bay Pores Primer.
So I'm using the Benefit. I've had this for almost a year. The first question is life update. That's not really a question, but just life update.
We just are done with high school. Literally, I'm shook
Literally
and I'm
finished
so
today.
happy. So fucking happy that we did that shit. We completed that shit. I'm so proud.
I'm so proud.
And that's a life update. Our plans for now is we're just really going to be working to save money because we want to travel the world. You guys would definitely see everything with that. We're going to film everything, but we really need to focus on saving bank.
Like hella money because we're trying to travel a lot and
Trying to start a business too.
yeah, start a business and go to beauty school. Oh, and I'm like,
So I'm going in. He's going in.
My tape is unsticking and it's like, are you f***ing with me right now?
dude, I feel like I need a fucking protractor.
For real.
So I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer for a little new, like just a little base.
And I'm gonna be going in with TanaCon. If you don't know what the conspiracy palette looks like, then you just need to go look at a picture because I'm not showing you.
That's kind of rude.
So one of the questions we got is favorite color.
So that's a great question, probably the best one we got. My favorite color is either pink or purple, very basic. I love pink.
Oh my god, me
And I love
too.
her.
I used to always say purple, but now I'm like
You
so
didn't like
much.
her pink.
Yeah, now I'm so obsessed with pink. Like my whole room is pink. I'm wearing pink. I love pink. My nails are always pink. My favorite eyeshadow look is pink. I just
have always loved pink since I was born. Do you want tattoos?
I have a tattoo.
Do you want more?
Yes, I do want more, and I have an idea for our tattoo.
I don't have any tattoos yet. Honestly, the only thing that's holding me back, I have a tattoo I want, but the only thing that's holding me back is the pain. I'm scared as shit. Yeah, I'm terrified, like literally terrified. And it's gonna be on my spine, and I'm just so scared of my spine.
And I'm going in with root beer.
Me as well.
So to darken it, I think what I'm gonna do is go in with spiraling.
That root beer really warmed it up a lot for me.
It's like almost orange.
What was your first piercing? This is lame because my first piercing was my first ears.
Well, I think it's talking about like,
After that,
yeah.
my first piercing was my cartilage.
My first piercing was my nose, I think, yeah.
Because I got mine.
I think I got mine when I was 13, actually.
I think I got mine when I was
13
14.
I got that, 14 I got cartilage, 15 I got belly button, 16 I got septum. We look the same.
I'm so happy we're done with high school, bro. I've been complaining about that shit for years.
Literally, we wanted to drop out.
And yeah, I'm surprised I didn't drop out. I quit my job this week. A lot of shit is happening.
Next question is, where do you shop? Because you have the cutest style. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
This is starting to look like butt. Sorry.
I shop at Plato's Clothing.
I shop at Forever 21.
Yeah, duh.
And
That bitch.
Urban Outfitters.
Yeah.
I shop at Fashion Nova sometimes.
Yeah. I haven't ordered shit from there in a minute though.
I love Princess Polly because I just love their
Yeah.
clothes.
I'm gonna go in with Just a Theory.
I'm taking it off because I can't do this anymore. I'm going to like fix it while this is off because I cannot tell what's happening. I look like a Batman. Oh no. I'm going in with makeup remover.
Now I'm going to do my skin. So I'm gonna go in with some rose water. A lot because I really like it. And the foundation I use is the Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. I have shade Fair Light and I really do like this. It's a little bit dark for me, but I make it work. And the brush I'm gonna use is from BoxyCharm and I really like this brush for foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with a Shape Tape and I use Shade Fair. I'll put this under my eyes. Cupid's bow, a little on my chin. And that's all.
So I'm looking like shit.
Going in with the Anastasia contour kit and she is really cute. I will just put this in all of the spots where I want to fucking contour, bitch. And then I take Real Techniques brush to blend it out. And I take the color Fair in my contour palette. I'll use this to just carve my contour and then also add some highlight to my nose. Now I'm gonna go in with my Becca Hydra Mist powder and I'm going to set under my eyes.
Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to use some rose water. This is just a rose water that doesn't have anything else other than rose oil and water. CC cream, I don't really know exactly what it is. Way too dark for my skin, but blend down the neck, sisters. Blend down the neck. Oh God. I like to go in with my brush first and then go in with the beauty blender and do your ears and your neck.
I'm highlighting my brow bone. Okay, now I'm just taking a brush to take off the powder. I take this blush, it's a Becca Flower Child blush. I'm gonna take a little bit of ranch and put that on my brow bone and my inner corner.
How do you spend your weekend?
Working, crying.
My Anastasia contour.
I only use my Anastasia.
Then I'm going to take my contour, or my, what's it called, Hoola bronzer, and bronze my skin.
Okay, the other question I got was your favorite place on earth.
Favorite place on earth is Thailand. It's beautiful. That's why it's my favorite place. What about you? Yeah.
No, my favorite place on earth is probably where my aunt lives in California.
Oh yeah.
Because it's like the most, like it's the only place I feel like where I've ever felt like truly relaxed. It's when I went there because everywhere else in the world is so go, go, go. And there's just so much like, what's it called? Like corporations have just taken over and where she lives, there's not even a McDonald's. So it's just so cool to like just go there and see the ocean and see the mountains. And with these lashes from TJ Maxx, they $6 for 5 different lashes. Hey guys, we were just filming for so long and crying our eyes out. Like that usually happens when we try to do our makeup. But we're just gonna show you guys the end. And
I'm just doing a few
we
last
need to go.
touches.
Yeah, I'm going in with a lip liner. Teddy light.
I'm using that one.
Velvet Teddy is a birthday gift
From Ulta.
Pop it off. I'm going in with the Buxom Erica Plumping Gloss.
this in my inner corner. It's just or not my inner corner, my waterline, just to darken up the vibe.
Close up of my look that I hate.
Hey bitches.
Hey brothers. So we're ready. We don't feel that cute, but like we just gotta try to feel cute. Like honestly, I'm a little annoyed, but
Honestly, I look pretty ugly, but
we're about to head down to Denver. We might try to vlog. Should we try? We always try.
we'll try. We'll give
Let's
you
actually
a
try.
shot. Love you, mother. Thanks for watching that video.